Hi, I am Kajal Sen. Welcome to Industrial Training Institute Learning Corner. Now we are going to study the heat and temperature topic, which is included in IT syllabus. That means what is the temperature? That means temperature is degree of hotness or coldness of body is known as temperature. How the temperature is measured means temperature can be measured in different units. That is in degree Celsius, 1 unit. And another one is degree Fahrenheit. And Reamer scale and Kelvin scale are the some of the units that is used for measuring temperature. So the temperature is measured with respect to what is the accuracy is needed for that. For example, if you want to measure the temperature in a very accurate, usually the degree Fahrenheit is used. For example, in the clinical thermometer, degree Fahrenheit is graduated in thermometer, clinical thermometer, and the very rough scale that is used in temperature is degree Reamer, because the melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius and boiling point of water is 80 degree Reamer. That is a very rough scale. And another scale is the temperature scale is thermodynamic process we use for solving the thermodynamic problems using the Kelvin scale. And another one is the commonly used the temperature reading is degree Celsius. It is very common, and everything is the melting point of metal and ice and general applications etc. are generally used in the scale of the degree Celsius. So what is 1 degree Celsius? 1 degree Celsius can be calculated by or measured by, that is take the melting point of ice and boiling point of water at 1 atmosphere pressure. If it is divided into 100 equal parts, that means low temperature is melting point of ice at 1 atmosphere pressure and the high temperature is boiling point of water at 1 atmosphere pressure. These temperature difference is, if it is divided into 100 equal parts, and one part, that is 1 by 100 part is known as 1 degree Celsius. Similarly, we can define Reamer scale and the Reamer and degree Fahrenheit scale, Kelvin scale, etc. So what do you mean by the degree Reamer means? What I before said that the melting point of ice and boiling point of water, the temperature difference is divided into 80 equal parts, and 1 by 80th part is known as 1 degree Reamer. Similarly, the melting point, that means the in calculation of the degree Fahrenheit, the melting point of ice and the boiling point of water at 1 atmosphere pressure is, if it is divided into 180 equal parts, and 1 by 1/80th part is known as 1 degree Fahrenheit. So it has equation for converting the units, for convert the temperatures. That means conversion from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit to degree Reamer, or degree Celsius to degree Reamer, vice versa. We have one application equation. That means C by 100 equal to F minus 32 by 180 equal to R by 80. Mutually, we can use these equation. For example, if we want to convert degree Celsius into degree Reamer, and we have to link the formula, that means C by 100 equal to R by 80. So we can use the C, if it is degree Celsius is given, we can find Reamer. If degree Reamer is given, we can calculate the degree Celsius. Similarly, degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit also we can measure. That means the to convert a degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, we use the formula F minus 32 by 180 is equal to C by 100. If F is given, we can calculate C degree Celsius. If C is given, we can measure the degree Fahrenheit. So what is the this is a measurement of degree Kelvin. This is absolute temperature mainly used for thermodynamic problems. That means if degree Celsius is given, we can convert into degree Kelvin. That means Celsius plus 273 become degree Kelvin, and degree Kelvin minus 273 become degree Celsius. For example, 100 degree Celsius is equal to 373 degree Kelvin. So these are the methods where we understand what is the temperature, how we can measure, and some definition for defining 1 degree Celsius, degree Reamer, etc. Next one is we have to study the what is meant by heat. Heat is form of energy which is measured in calories. So what do you mean by 1 calorie means? That is the amount of heat required for 1 gram of water to rise its temperature through 1 degree Celsius is known as 1 calorie. If it is to be calculated in kilocalorie, 1000 calorie become 1 kilocalorie. And also the other measuring units are in the measurement of the that means heat. That is in mechanical unit forms. That means 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules approximately. And if you want to calculate the heat into mechanical work, that can be the equal mechanical work in regarding the heat is equal to 1 calorie can be converted into 4.2 joules approximate. And another 2 other units are there. Those are the CHU, centigrade heat unit, and British thermal unit. These are also units for measuring heat. That means 1 BTU means British thermal unit means that is the amount of heat required for 1 pound of water. 1 pound means 453.5 grams equal to 1 pound. 1 pound of water to rise its temperature through 1 degree Fahrenheit. That is known as 1 BTU. 1 BTU is approximately 252 calories. And what do you mean by CHU means? Centigrade heat unit. Here also we take 1 pound of water and heat is supplied and the temperature is rise through 1 degree Celsius. So what do you mean by CHU means? It is heat is required for 1 pound of water to rise its temperature through 1 degree Celsius. It is known as 1 centigrade heat unit. That is equal to 453.5 calories. I hope you would understand this topic, and thank you very much. If you like this, you can subscribe. Thank you very much.